Okay, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day making videos, even if you've got no subscribers. That's right, how you can make $100 per day making videos, even if you don't have any subscribers. My name's Graeme, I make these videos. Now, if you subscribe, I'll notify you each time I upload new videos. So hit the subscribe button below. And I'm going to go through step by step how you can actually do this. I'm going to lay out how you can actually, you actually can make $100 a day making videos, even if you've got no subscribers. So stay tuned. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you how you can get paydays like this. So you won't want to miss it. I'm going to show you how complete newbies even can do this. Now, you don't need a website. You don't need landing pages. What I'm going to show you here is without subscribers, it's the views. You can have no subscribers and still get thousands of views. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert those views into $100 a day. And you don't even need to appear with your face in the videos. Now look at this. There are millions of people come onto YouTube every day. Now they're looking for answers, they're looking for reviews, they're looking for all sorts of things. And they come to YouTube to get those answers. So I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about using small household appliances. So let's have a look at this. Now here's a toaster. It's a Breville toaster, so it's a good quality toaster. Now let's go down here and have a look. This is where it gets interesting. So this video was posted on the 22nd of October 2016. It's had 47,000 views by Ron Reeds. Now Ron only has 59 subscribers. And let's just put that into perspective. This is what 50,000 people looks like, 50,000 views. Now, there's one really important thing that Ron has forgotten to do. I don't know whether you can pick it, but in a moment, I'm going to share what that is, and it's really critical. The one important thing that he's missed, which really has cost him a lot of money, whether he knows it or not. And I don't want you guys that are watching the video to make that same mistake. All right, look, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and I'll notify you each time I post a video. And just a reminder, if you wait till the end, I'm going to show you how you can make much more money than this in a day. Now, here we are over at this YouTube video. And here's this basic, nothing to write home about video about making pulled pork with an electric smoker. Now, interestingly, let's have a look down here. So this is Fat Cat 1986. He only has 229 subscribers. Let that sink in. 229 subscribers. And he has 102,000 views. 102,000 views. He's got 298 likes as well. We're not worried about that. So now what's missing? Again, he's made the same mistake, that has cost him hundreds and hundreds of dollars over the time. So this just goes to show that the number of views you get is not relevant to the number of subscribers. I've seen people with this number of views with 0 subscribers. All right, so here we are at yet another one. This one's called iRobot Roomba Racing. So this guy's got 3 of these things and he's racing them. Now let's go down and have a look. Okay, Richard has 485 subscribers and look at the views, 579,000. 579,000 with only 485 subscribers. And when we look again, there's that same one thing Richard has forgotten to do. In a moment, I'm going to show you what that is so that you don't make the same mistake. And just one more to make the point. Over here, it's a Breville Smart waffle maker. This was put up in 2018. It's only had 722 views. Not many compared to the last few examples I've showed you. But have a look. Kirsten has got 3 subscribers. Only 3 subscribers. And again, if we open up the box here, she has missed one really, really important thing. What is that? Okay, what she and all the rest of these people have omitted to do. So how crazy is that? People that are looking at these videos are people that are actually wanting to buy the product. They're interested in the product. They come to the video expecting to be a link in the description where they can buy the product. There's nothing there. How would you feel? The other smart way is in your video. Not only would you have the affiliate link in the description, at the end of the video you might even say, click the link to get this product, click the link in the description below. And many of these people will. Now I can hear your next question. Where do I get an affiliate link? I don't know. I don't sell these products. I don't have these products. In a moment I'll tell you that. And another question that probably pops into your mind is, will people actually click on these links? Well, yes, they do. Yeah. My best earnings from a video was $30,000, but I can regularly get $1,000 commission by having an affiliate link in my description and doing just that. Click the link in the description below, and people do. A lot of people don't, but a lot of people do. So I'm about to show you where you can get your affiliate link. So what I recommend or suggest you do is you go out there, have a look at these products, these household appliances. Pick the quality ones, pick some that are not as great quality, as in price range. You want to get something that's worth $100, $200 and plus dollars. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to Amazon Associates and you're going to sign up as an affiliate. I won't go through all that. You can go here. It's as simple as sign up, recommend, and then get paid. And you'll get paid in the range of somewhere between 1% to 10%, depending on the category. It has lots of things that come into it. They will give you a breakdown of what the commission rates are for the different categories. Now I'll show you what a site looks like, a YouTube that's got an affiliate link. Now I've just gone back to YouTube and I've typed in best digital camera. Now I might be more specific. I could put in best Nokia digital camera. It doesn't matter, right? People are lazy. They don't want to go and do the reviews. They know that they can find them on YouTube. All right, here's one. 5 best point and shoot camera. So he's more specific. He knows what he wants. 6 months ago, and it's had 46,000 views. So we'll just click on that. Now this guy has chosen to appear on this, and I'm going to show you how you can do this without actually appearing on video shortly. So let's go down here in the description and have a look at the difference between this and the earlier versions where they had no links. Have a look at this. So he's given you the best 5 point and click or whatever it was. And so he doesn't care which one you buy. He may not, I haven't looked at the video, he may not. You could do these videos with stock images from the suppliers or of the camera. You could get images from the internet and put them together into a slideshow. There's many ways, and add some music. Or you could even go to a website like Fiverr, give someone the images and say, make me a video. You could even find a video and ask them to model it with the images you give them. Have a look. The Canon US price, UK price, CA Canada, California, not Canada price. This guy is smart, because if these visitors come from different countries, he's given them an Amazon link to each country. And there we go. Canon, DJI Osmo, Pocket, Sony, Ricoh. He'll get paid no matter which one you buy. And when you look at this video is August 7, 2020. He's got 47,000 views. And it has not taken him that long to put this video up. And he's got 74,000 subscribers, but it's not. He's been doing this for a long time, but it's not the number of subscribers. You could have 0 subscribers and still have that number of views. Smart 5 best point and shoot cameras in 2020, best compact cameras. So there are his keywords, and that's the sort of things that people type in when they're looking for a review, when they want to buy a product. So this just goes to show with cameras, they are, they're a high ticket item. They cost hundreds and some thousands. So, it's for a selfish reason that I tell you for yourself to get a product that's 100, 200 or plus. What do you want? 10% of $100, or do you want 10% of $1,000? I know which one I would prefer. Now, the other thing with Amazon affiliates, Amazon Associate Program, not only do you get a commission if they buy the camera, if they decide to buy any accessories or they decide to buy anything within 24 hours, you will get paid the commission on those other products as well. Now, if you didn't want to use stock images, and you can make some great videos with compilations of a product and then using text across the screen. But if you're really serious about wanting to do this, you might go and buy the product. And then you can, do an unboxing. You can, give them what it's like, the feel, the touch. You're actually doing it for them. And I'll let you in for a little secret. Most companies have a return policy. So don't tell anyone I've told you, but you could actually go and buy the product, put it on your credit card, easy way, easy pay, whatever you want to use. And within the return period, after you've gone and done all your review of the video, take it back for a refund. Because if you get serious about this, you'll be doing it a lot and you'll end up with a whole house of new appliances that you may not even want or need. So I encourage you, go and do some of these searches. Go and find some products that you might be interested in yourself. Go to YouTube, type in the top 5 toasters, the top 5 vacuum cleaners, top 3, I don't know, there's something about 5. A lot of people type in top 5 of many different things. Type it in, have a look at, the sorts of views that these videos get and think, and, decide whether it's something you want to do yourself. It'll give you ideas. It'll also give you ideas on how to structure videos. When you look at enough of them, you'll know how and what you need to put in a video. And look, they don't have to be that great, to be honest. People have got there, and then you've got the links underneath. Some people with very little information will still click on those links. So look, even if you sold a $200 toaster, well, not you sold it, but you promoted a toaster, and you might do a review of 3 different toasters. So you don't care which one people buy. What your preference is doesn't matter. It's a financial thing for you. It's a $200 toaster, and it pays you 10%. So you've sold, you've just made $20 when someone buys. Now, if you could do this for one product, how many products would you want to do it for? If you made $20, and we're being really conservative, $20 on a sale, do you think you could make 5 sales in a day? My oath you could. Now look, I don't want to give you false hope. It may not happen overnight. Some videos just go viral in a short time. Other times it might take you a little bit of time to get traction. But if you're consistent and persistent with posting videos, you will have people, guaranteed, people viewing your videos. Look at the keywords that other channels are using and model what they do. Don't copy, but model. Well, that's how you can make $100 a day. just making videos with little to no subscribers. Now, I did say that I had something for you towards the end. In the link in the description below, in the first link, challenge yourself. Go and get 15 days training. It'll cost you $7. It'll be the best $7 you've ever spent. It'll take you step by step through the process of becoming an affiliate. Now, the main thing that I said, if you want to make big money, yes, you can make $100, $200 a day. If you want to make big money, it's called high ticket affiliate marketing. And the second link in my description below gives you some free training and shows you how you're able to do that as well. Now, I hope you've got great value from this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button to be notified when I post my next video. Give it a thumbs up and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video.